Hi, Face Yoga Method practitioners. How are you? It's Miko. People often ask me, what's the benefit of meditation? Or, I want to meditate, but I don't know how to do it. So I just want to share my own experience. I was always interested in meditating when I was younger. I thought it was such a cool thing to do, but my personality, I just couldn't sit still. Like, I wanted to do this. My mind was going all over, and it was hard until I really started reading the benefit of meditation. Now I meditate every morning and every night. The morning when I meditate, it makes my whole day so smooth, and I feel like I'm a different person. I mean, really. And if I meditate at night, I sleep so much better. I don't know if you know about me or not, but I've been following Dr. JoeDispenza. He uses scientific data in the benefit of meditation, and when you watch that, his presentation, you're gonna be sold. You can't argue why meditation is so important, because there's already scientific data change our brainwaves and change our thoughts, and when we change our thoughts and a brainwave, it changes our life, and that's how I've been feeling. And as you can tell, I'm super excitable person. But when I meditate, I really focus on my feelings, and the thought just is like a different world. And it's so hard to explain how I feel differently. But let's put it this way. It's like the life gets so much simple and clear, and my mind is so much simple, clear, and I feel things much more deeper level, and I appreciate things more. And basically, I feel happier. Even though life has up and downs and surprises, good and bad surprises, but when I meditate, it just changed my mindset. And like I said, when you change the way you feel, it changes your life. So I just wanted to share. I have a blog, talked about the meditation, and also I made the guided meditation. So if you're very new to the meditation, you can just listen to my voice if you like my voice, and then try to meditate. Okay. So one thing I want to do right here, this Facebook Live, is I just want to experience a little bit of the face exercise and meditation together. Okay? Are you ready? I just want to make sure that you can see me. I'm in Japan still, my parents' condo right now. So I have a little bit of time, and I decided to do this video. Okay, so you can see me. All right? So sit comfortably. Breathe in and out from your nose very deeply. Breathe in and out from your nose. By closing your eyes, you are shutting down the left brain, like analytical brain. And by closing your eyes, you're focusing on your sensations and the feelings and turning on the right brain. Okay? Thumbs on the top of your head, and the rest of the fingers on your eyebrows. Shoulders down, chest open, and chin slightly forward and up. Okay? And then keep contact. Your fingers on your forehead and thumbs stay here, right here. And breathe in and out, and breathe in. Pull your forehead with your fingers all the way up. Keep breathing in, and shoulders relaxed. And palms on the side of your face, side of your neck, side of your chest, and side of your body. Keep your eyes closed. Thumbs on the top of your head, fingers, rest of your fingers on the eyebrow. We're gonna lift your forehead up physically, and chin up, and shoulders down, open your chest, open your heart. Pull your forehead all the way up. And palms on the side of your face and the side of your neck. You can do with your eyes closed. Inside of your chest and side of your body. Feel the energy and sensation. The last one, do with your eyes closed this time, okay? Fingers on your eyebrows and shoulders down and chest open. Open your heart and pull your forehead up. Feel this opening sensation and feel the energy. Feel this love. Feel the amazing life. You are so perfect. Your life is perfect. Everything is perfect. perfect in your life. Keep your eyes closed, palms up, breathe in, and breathe out. Keep your eyes closed. Breathe in and out. Enjoy this sensation. Enjoy this heartwarming love and energy. And when you're ready, you open the eyes. Okay, how was it? So it's not a meditation, it's not even guided meditation, but I just wanted to share with you that when you close your eyes and just move your fingers and focus on the sensation, it felt different, right? Did you feel that? You're so much calmer. So that's kind of like a little bit of meditation. It's not a meditation, but I just wanted to share that with you. So remember the feeling you had at the end. How was it? You feel more calm, much calmer, and you feel more loving, and opening a chest, it helps a lot too. Think about this. Have you seen anybody who's so happy and excited and like this? I'm so happy. No. When you're excited and happy, you physically open yourself up, and then that open your chest and that open your heart. And you don't see people who are so depressed, like, I'm so sad, I'm so depressed, life is so bad. You don't see people like that. So when your body open up, your heart open, and then when you chin up, and then when you feel the energy inside and going through you and above you, all over you, you're gonna be happy. So that's kind of like the taste of meditation, and I just wanted to share that with you. So if you're interested in more, go to my blog, which I already have it. So you just click it and you can listen to my guided meditation, and try that at night. I guarantee you're gonna feel pretty good. All right. Have a good weekend.